Hey fellow entrepreneurs! Are you running your business from home and wondering, do you really need insurance for this? I mean, you're already juggling so much: product creation, clients, marketing. Why throw insurance into the mix? But here's the thing: if you're operating a business from home, you could be more exposed to risks than you think. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about small business insurance for home-based businesses in the US. Check out the link in the description box below. Let's clear up the confusion and make sure your business is covered without overcomplicating things. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Step 1. Understand why home insurance isn't enough. Alright, first things first. Homeowners insurance doesn't cover your business. Many people think, my home is insured, so my business is too. Wrong. Most home insurance policies don't cover business-related equipment, liability, or any damages that might happen while working from home. If a client gets hurt while visiting your home office or if your work equipment gets stolen, your homeowner's insurance likely won't help. That's where business insurance comes into play. You need it to cover business-specific risks. Step 2. Identify the types of insurance you might need. Now that we've cleared that up, let's dive into what kind of insurance you actually need. There are a few basic types of coverage that every home-based entrepreneur should consider. Here's a quick breakdown. General liability insurance. This is your safety net. It protects you if someone gets injured on your property, whether it's a delivery person, a client, or anyone else visiting for business. It also covers any damage you might cause to someone else's property. In short, it's an essential layer of protection for accidents. Business property insurance. Next, let's talk about your stuff, your laptop, printer, equipment, or inventory. If anything gets stolen, damaged, or lost in a fire, this insurance will cover the costs of replacing it. Think of it like renter's insurance, but for your business tools. Professional liability insurance. If you're offering services, maybe you're a consultant, a designer, or an accountant, this one's for you. Professional liability insurance, also called errors and omissions insurance, protects you from lawsuits if a client claims you made a mistake or didn't deliver what was promised. It's a must for service-based businesses. Step 3. Think about add-ons based on your industry. The basics are essential, but depending on what you do, you might need more specific coverage. For example, product liability insurance. If you sell products, this covers any claims if a product you sold causes harm or injury. Cyber liability insurance, handling customer data. Cyber liability insurance protects you from online breaches, data theft, or hacking incidents. With so many businesses relying on digital platforms, this is becoming more of a necessity. Step 4. Look into a business owner's policy, BOP. Feeling overwhelmed with all the options? No worries, a business owner's policy or BOP is a bundle of multiple types of coverage, including general liability, property insurance, and often business interruption insurance. It's like an all-in-one package tailored to small businesses, and it's often more affordable than buying separate policies. If you're just starting, this is an excellent place to begin. It's affordable, covers the essentials, and you can always add more specialized insurance later as your business grows. Step 5. How to get started. Alright, so where do you begin? First, take an inventory of your business activities and equipment. What risks could you face? Do you meet clients at home? Do you sell products? Are you storing sensitive data? Once you have a clear picture, talk to an insurance agent or broker who specializes in small business coverage like Next Insurance. They'll guide you through the options and help tailor a policy that fits your needs. So, that's a quick rundown of small business insurance for home-based entrepreneurs. Remember, insurance is there to protect your hard work. You don't want one accident or lawsuit to put you out of business. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.